Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream soap. We'll begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients and tools. Then, I'll guide you through each simple step to create a luxurious, fluffy soap right in your own kitchen. You'll discover how easy it is to customize your soap with your favorite scents and colors, making it truly unique and perfect for gifting or personal use. Get ready to whip up some amazing suds. To start, you'll need about 1 pound of a white melt-in pour soap base. Next, grab some liquid glycerin and a light carrier oil, such as sweet almond oil, to add moisture. For fragrance, choose your favorite essential or fragrance oils. Don't forget your equipment: a heat-safe bowl, a spatula, and most importantly, a stand mixer or a good hand mixer to achieve that perfect whip texture. These items are key to success. First, carefully melt your soap base in a microwave in 30-second intervals or using a double boiler until it's fully liquid. Once melted, add about 1 tablespoon of liquid glycerin and 2 tablespoons of your chosen carrier oil. Now for the fun part. Using your mixer, whip the mixture on medium-high speed for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes light, airy, and resembles whipped cream. Finally, mix in your desired fragrance and color. Once your soap is beautifully whipped, quickly transfer it into piping bags and pipe it into your chosen jars or containers. Work swiftly, as it will begin to set. Let your finished whipped soap cure at room temperature for at least 24 hours or even up to 48 hours to ensure it hardens properly. Store your delightful creations in airtight containers to maintain freshness and enjoy your wonderfully moisturizing, homemade whipped cream soap.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.